Hi, my name is Tamara and I'm born with hereditary spastic paraplegia. And I'm going to show you how I get off the horse. I might fail miserably, but always try.
All the way to the side. And you can let go of your reins and fall.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Come behind me.
Perfect. Good time.
Good job, Miley.
Girl. Yep, I got the saddle so that's your arm and nose.
I did it!
High five.
Good job.
Good job, Miley. We did it. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you so much.
That was awesome.
I did it! A Bradford. Bye.